Today we're going to change Samsung message categories from this to this. Hey guys, I figured out today how to prioritize your Samsung message categories. So I'll help you how to do that today. We're going to take this all category and we will be able to shift it wherever you want. Then it'll be in the order that you choose. You will need to long press any one of the categories. You can press all or any of the other categories you have. If the other categories don't work, all definitely will. Then you will click the three dots in the upper right hand corner. Then you will tap select. I'm trying to go slow enough you can keep up. Now you will see this screen where you can move any one of your categories up or down. See this? You can switch any of them. I like mine this way. And all you have to do once you've done your moving them around is hit your back button. And I'm not going to do that because it's going to go back to my categories, but I'll show you what it looks like. Now your category will be arranged in the way that you set it. And your default category, when you open up your messages, will be the one that you put at the top. So if it's not in the arrangement that you intended it to be, just repeat those steps, go back to the previous screen where you can move them up and down and put them in the order from top to bottom, top being the default. I hope this helps you. I hope that you have a better, more pleasant time using your categories for your messages.